Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm kind of just gonna do my makeup, and I kind of just have like some products that I've been using lately, but I'm not really sure what kind of makeup I'm going for today. We'll just kind of see how this goes and how it turns out. And yeah, I'm really sad just because these are my real nails and it broke. Good thing I'm right-handed, so you guys will see my right hand more than my left. So just ignore the fact that, you know, I got a little nub right here. But don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also if you want to like follow my Instagram, it'll be right here. I'm more active on my Instagram than YouTube, sadly. Enough about that. I'm just gonna kind of get started with my makeup and see how this goes. First thing I'm gonna use is this lip balm by ColourPop. This is like so me just because I'm obsessed with coconut. Like anything coconut oil, I literally lather my body in coconut oil. So yeah, I'm just going to prep my lips just so they aren't like super dry the entire time. This stuff smells so good. It's just like coconut heaven. I've already done my eyebrows just because I feel like that's a super boring part to watch. My eyebrow routine, once again, just like never really changes. So I've already done my eyebrows, and I'm probably just going to start on my eyes. To prime my eyes, I'm using the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer, and I'm just going to literally put that all over my eyelid and blend that out. I'm just gonna set that with some powder. For the eyes today, I'm gonna try out this palette called California Love, and it's by ColourPop. I've never used ColourPop's makeup before, but I've always wanted to try it. So we're gonna try this palette out. So this shade right here, I'm gonna see how that goes. This is really pigmented, holy. My eyes are orange. I will say that this has a good amount of fallout, so I would definitely suggest doing your eyes first or putting something underneath right here to like protect your makeup. I'm honestly not used to using like crazy colors, but I'm just gonna go in with the red shade because I figure red and orange would look good together. Really like how these shades blend out. Going with that orange shade again and just like really blend out the top of that so that it's really like seamless. So we have that. I kind of look like a clown right now. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna take a little bit more of the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer and kind of clean up my lid a little bit before I put on any sort of like shimmer. I'm going in with some glitter glue by Too Faced. This one or the yellow? Ooh, I feel like the yellow gold would be nice. So I'm gonna go in with this gold shade down here. Wow. Now I'm just gonna do my eyeliner. This is the Urban Decay Perversion Waterproof eyeliner. So I'm gonna put on my lashes and then I'll be back. So I'm back. I put my lashes on. If you guys have not listened to Justin Bieber's new album, favorite song from his album is Come Around Me. It just like puts me in such like a vibey mood. That song and Habitual are my top 2 favorite songs. Also Forever. Forever is a really good song. I'm gonna move on to the face. I'm gonna take the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Face Primer. I had gotten this and like I kind of liked it at first, but I kind of took a break from using it, and I don't know why I took a break from using it, because it gives me like the most glowy base under my foundation. It's literally amazing. Like, do you see all that shine just from that primer? This is ColourPop's Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Setting Mist, but I use it before my foundation, and then I also use it to set my entire face after I'm done with my makeup. It has hyaluronic acid, and I'm pretty sure it also has coconut water in it, which is really good for hydration in your skin as well. Look how cool it looks. It's like milky. I don't even know how to explain it, but it's like the coolest setting mist. I am literally down to the last bit of this foundation, and this is the Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue Hydrating Foundation Stick, and this is in the shade Dune 7.5. I don't really know if I'm so into those crazy full coverage foundations at the moment. I kind of like this because it's hydrating and it gives me enough coverage but doesn't make me look super cakey. So I literally just put this all over my face. And like I said, I'm literally down to the last bit, so I need to like restock on this like ASAP. I think I literally just saw it in Ulta and I was like, this is interesting. And I swatched it on my hand and it was like a cooling, hydrating like feel, like silky feel. Once I did try it out, I was obsessed with it. So I've been using this brush from MAKIAGE, and it's their 100 foundation blending brush, and I've been really liking like this foundation and then this brush duo. If you have really oily skin, I probably wouldn't do this foundation routine unless maybe you had some sort of like matte primer or like matte setting mist. For me specifically, I think my skin is just like combination. So I would rather go, especially in the wintertime, I'd rather go the hydrating side just because I like when my skin looks dewy. So next I'm going in with these two Il Makiage concealers. I really like this concealer. It's super lightweight, and it's also like really buildable. It doesn't dry like super quick, like right when you put it on your face, which is nice. I kind of mix like 2 different tones of concealer. I mix kind of like a neutral warmer tone and then like a pinky tone. I really like the feel of this Morphe sponge, but it is really hard to get right in that inner corner just because it is like a bigger sponge in general. Other than that, I really like the material that it's made out of. My face looks really flat, and I'm actually gonna take another one of their concealers, but it's in a really dark shade. This is the shade 15.25, and I'm going to actually use this as like a cream contour. I'm gonna set my concealer with the Hourglass Veil Translucent Powder. So for bronzer, I have been obsessed with this Waka Waka bronzer by Il Makiage. Like, this thing is huge. I'm actually going to show you guys this trick that I've been doing. This random thing in my makeup routine that I've been doing. So I take this brush, it's called the Spotlight Duster F37 brush by Sigma. I'm going to take that same bronzer and kind of just like sweep it on the areas of my face. Normally like right here. And it really just makes your bronzer look like really natural. Like, you guys don't have to do this step if, you know, you don't want to. I'm just gonna take like a little blending brush and just go like along the sides of my nose to give it a little more warmth. Now I'm gonna go in with some Milani blush. It's in the shade Luminoso. For my bottom lash line, I'm pretty much just gonna take that orange color that I used earlier. And then I'm gonna take the red shade and also just put that more tightly underneath. I'm gonna take Urban Decay's 24/7 Glide On Pencil in the shade Double Life. I'm gonna finish off with some mascara. So this highlighter right here is from ColourPop and it's in the shade Lunch Money. This is what I'm gonna be using for my highlight today. What in the world? Okay, ColourPop, I see you. This is gorgeous. Okay. Now I'm going to take the MAKIAGE Carly Bible lip liner, and this is in the shade Luna. Then I'm gonna take this NYX, this is actually an eyeliner, I explained this in a different video. It's in the shade Taupe. That is like my go-to combo. MAKIAGE has the longest names, but like this is their lip service lip glaze in the shade Hard Yes. I'm basically just gonna put this like right in the center. And then on the top, I'm going to put it like over my Cupid's bow. For my last step, I am gonna take the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Setting Mist and just set my face. So this is the makeup look for today. I actually enjoyed doing this makeup tutorial because it's a lot more colorful than I usually do. That's basically it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. But I really hope you guys enjoyed it and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!